Horses out, we have Piece of My Wish, Best to Begin, Counselor, Danori Inzanis, Kiss Me, Racing in fourth, Gracious Souls, moving up, Quick Storm, Teresa's Magic, Shut Up, Bagong Barrio, Enigmatic, Ruby Gentry, Madame Leonora, rushing up, Security General, Apple Green, and Red Hot Water is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, Piece of My Wish, Danori Inzanis, Kiss Me, lying back in third, Quick Storm, Teresa's Magic is on the outside board, and about 5 wide in fifth comes Security General, Counselor, Bagong Barrio is down on the inside, Shut Up comes next, then followed by Madame Leonora, Gracious Souls, Apple Green, Ruby Gentry, Enigmatic, and Red Hot Water now racing in last. Piece of My Wish by out lane, gonna help, and in second now is Security General, Teresa's Magic, Kiss Me is down on the inside board, Counselor is on the outside, Peep, Bagong Barrio, Piece of My Wish by out lane, gonna help, Counselor is down on the inside and on the outside, Security General, Kiss Me, Bagong Barrio also moving up as they come down at the last 150. We have Counselor down on the inside, Piece of My Wish, Bagong Barrio is on the outside, Piece of My Wish, Counselor, Bagong Barrio is on the outside. We have Bagong Barrio, Piece of My Wish, down on the inside is Counselor, Counselor, Piece of My Wish, Bagong Barrio is on the outside, and in the finish line, it's Bagong Barrio, close, Piece of My Wish, Counselor, then comes Shut Up, then comes Gracious Souls, Kiss Me.
7,
9,
9,
10, 8, 6.